Segilola Resources Operating Limited, we believe in fostering a dynamic relationship with our host communities. In line with this commitment, we are proud to launch the comprehensive empowerment program designed to enhance agricultural productivity and economic resilience among our project affected persons. Through this initiative, we will be distributing today 28,400 seedlings of high-yield cocoa and 2,100 seedlings of palm oil. We are also providing essential agrochemicals, including fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Furthermore, we are taking a crucial step to secure future by facilitating the registration of our participating members with the Ministry of Cooperatives. We are confident that with your dedication and support, this initiative will yield abundant harvests, both literally and figuratively, for years to come.
A mọ̀ wípé nígbà tí ilé-iṣẹ́ yìí ń tẹ̀síwájú, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn kan ni ó fara gbá nípa oko wọn tàbí dúkìá wọn. Lẹ́yìn wípé aṣọ nǹkan tó lóyìnbó ń pè ní compensation, a rí pé there is a need for additional support to help them láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ láti rí ọrọ̀ ajé wọn padà, láti lè rí ọwọ́ mú lọ sí ẹnu.
I just want to encourage us that we should see it as a thing that will develop our lives and will develop the community. Congratulations to all the beneficiaries.
Iléeṣẹ́ Segilola, so I present ìmọ̀ ọ̀pẹ yìí, I'm presenting fún yín.
What we are doing today is a landmark event which touch the lives of our community members directly by assisting them with the new hybrid species of palm trees and cocoa trees.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ohun gbogbo tá a fún wa ní ọ̀pẹ ní kòkó pẹ̀lú fertilizer àti oògùn tá a máa lò fún oko wa tí àwọn nǹkan oko wa fi máa dára lórúkọ Jésù, ayé ti ẹ̀yin náà á dára o.
This project is going to really help a lot of people in our community. We have a lot of farm space. With this great opportunity you have given us, we'll be able to plant the seedlings, cocoa seedlings. So we are giving fertilizer to, they help us to upgrade it in a modern way. We really appreciate Segilola.
A dúpẹ́ fún Segilola fún bó ṣe ìrántí wa nípa nǹkan tó kó fún wa, especially kíní roundup yìí. Nínú gbogbo àwọn kẹ́míkà tó máa fi oko kò sí ẹlẹ́gbẹ́. Bàbá ajílẹ̀ náà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n tún fún wa, ajílẹ̀ náà ó jẹ́ ajílẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ajílẹ̀ gidi, so a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn púpọ̀.
Segilola, we really appreciate what you done for us today. We all say thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, Segilola.
Thank you, Segilola. Thank you, Segilola.
Thank you, Segilola.
Thank you, Segilola. Thank you, Segilola.
Thank you very much.